Top 5 must-see attractions in Rome. Travel tips for every budget. Benvenuto. Welcome to Rome, the Eternal City. With its rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant culture, Rome is a dream destination for travelers from all over the world. In today's video, we'll explore the top 5 must-see attractions in Rome and share tips on booking tours and traveling on a budget. Let's get started. First on the list is the Colosseum, the largest amphitheater ever built and an enduring symbol of ancient Rome. Built in 80 AD, it once hosted gladiator battles and public spectacles. Tip: book your tickets online to skip the long lines, and consider a guided tour that includes the nearby Roman Forum and Palatine Hill for a full experience of ancient Rome. Early morning or late afternoon visits offer smaller crowds and softer lighting for photos. Next, the Vatican Museums and the Sistine Chapel. This world-renowned museum houses masterpieces by artists like Raphael and Michelangelo, including the breathtaking ceiling of the Sistine Chapel. Tip: opt for skip-the-line tickets or early entry tours to beat the crowds. Budget travelers can visit on the last Sunday of the month when admission is free, but be prepared for long lines. The Trevi Fountain is not just a fountain, it's a masterpiece of Baroque art. Legend has it that tossing a coin into the fountain ensures your return to Rome. Tip: visit early in the morning or late at night to avoid the crowds, and if you're on a budget, skip the overpriced cafes nearby and enjoy a gelato from a local shop as you admire the view. The Pantheon, a former Roman temple, is one of the best preserved monuments of ancient Rome. Its massive dome and open oculus are architectural marvels. Tip: entry is free, but the lines can get long. Arrive early or visit just before closing for a quieter experience. Nearby, you'll find plenty of affordable trattorias for a delicious meal. Piazza Navona is a lively square that showcases stunning fountains, including Bernini's Fountain of the Four Rivers. It's a great spot to soak in the Roman atmosphere. Tip: while dining at the cafes here can be pricey, you can enjoy the atmosphere by grabbing a coffee to go and exploring the square. Look for nearby streets with more budget-friendly dining options. Before we wrap up, here are some quick tips to help you make the most of your Roman adventure. Use public transport. Rome's buses and metro are affordable and efficient. Get a multi-day transport pass to save money. City passes. Consider a Roma Pass or Omnia card for discounts on attractions and free public transport. Stay hydrated. Carry a reusable water bottle. Rome has free public fountains called Nasoni with clean, drinkable water. Walking tours. Free walking tours are a great way to explore the city and learn about its history. Just remember to tip your guide. Rome is a city like no other, where every corner tells a story. I hope this guide helps you plan an unforgettable trip. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips, and share in the comments which Roman landmark you're most excited to visit. Grazie, and arrivederci. Like and subscribe for more travel adventures and tips.